Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Stripe webhook signatures using endpoint secret step by step clearly. To verify Stripe webhook signatures, start by collecting your endpoint secret. You'll find this secret in your Stripe dashboard under webhooks. Next, access the request's headers where the webhook is sent. Locate the Stripe signature header from the incoming request. You'll need to capture the body of the request too. In your code, set up a function to handle incoming webhooks. Use the endpoint secret combined with the Stripe signature header to create a verification mechanism. Install the Stripe SDK if you haven't done so already. For Node.js, you can use npm with the command npm install Stripe. In your webhook handling function, import the Stripe library. Initialize the Stripe object with your secret key. Use the stripe.webhooks.construct event method to validate the signature. Pass the raw body of the request, the Stripe signature header, and your endpoint secret as arguments. If the signature is valid, you'll receive a verified event object. Use this object to process your webhook events safely. Make sure to implement error handling for any invalid signatures. If verification fails, respond with a 401 unauthorized status. This way, you ensure that only legitimate webhooks processed by Stripe are accepted. Finally, log the event data for your records, and proceed with the necessary business logic. By following these steps, you'll successfully verify Stripe webhook signatures. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.